Hey there, InstaFam. Ever wanted to spice up your stories with a splash of color? Today, we're going to show you how to change the background color on your Instagram stories to make them pop. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Instagram app and swipe right or tap on your profile picture to start a new story. Step 2. Once you're in the story mode, snap a photo or select one from your gallery. Don't worry about the background just yet, we'll get to that in a jiffy. Step 3. Tap on the To Draw icon at the top of the screen, it looks like a squiggly line. Then, select the Pen tool. Step 4. Now for the fun part, choosing your color. You can pick from the palette at the bottom or use the dropper to select a color from your photo. Step 5. Press and hold anywhere on the screen. Voila! The background changes to your chosen color. Step 6. If you want to add your photo back in, just tap on the Stickers button and select the photo sticker from your gallery. Adjust it to fit, and you're done. And there you have it, a brand new background color for your Instagram story. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a like, hit that subscribe button, and share your colorful stories with us using the hashtag #InstaColorStory. See you in the next video.